Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from North Carolina, Virginia border to Caribbean Beach Light, North Carolina out 20 nautical miles, Caribbean Sound. Waters from North Carolina, Virginia border to Caribbean Beach Light, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m. At 1:23 p.m. Strong thunderstorm was located over Caribbean Beach Light, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Tower, Caribbean Beach Light, Caribbean Beach, Nuts Island Bay, Caribbean Sound, and Kill Devil Hills. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.